Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is Pooja. Wish you all a very happy and colorful Holi. May these beautiful colors decorate your life with happiness, cheerfulness, good health and prosperity. Guys, this video is also for thanking you all the viewers and subscribers for appreciating my work. I have got many messages on my Facebook page. There are many suggestions that I need to improve. I will try to improve my videos as per your suggestions, and also thank you for your compliments that you have commented on my videos. Keep watching my videos and keep crafting. Once again, happy Holi. Bye.